The Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration, or PAGASA, has warned the public to expect more frequent thunderstorms throughout the rainy season. This following an isolated downpour dumped 47.8 millimeters of rainfall in Quezon City and parts of Metro Manila in less than an hour this afternoon. Carlo Luis Candelaria details this report.
Heavy rain suddenly poured over Quezon City and several parts of Metro Manila shortly after 1 o'clock this afternoon. PAGASA's thunderstorm advisory also covered several nearby areas in central and southern Luzon. PAGASA said the downpour was caused by isolated thunderstorms with 47.8 millimeters of rainfall recorded at the Science Garden in Quezon City in less than an hour.
Ngayon po kasi may umiiral na southwest monsoon, so madalas na rin po talaga yung thunderstorm. Sa mga susunod na araw, maaaring po, bukod sa mga isolated, meron din tayong scattered, yung mas malawakan na yung maapektuhan and mas longer duration po.
PAGASA said this type of heavy rainfall could trigger flooding in low-lying areas and increase the risk of lightning strikes. Residents in flood-prone communities are advised to evacuate when necessary and avoid open areas due to the threat of lightning. The State Weather Bureau also said the public should expect more frequent thunderstorms as the rainy season continues.
These months po, asahan na po talaga natin na magiging madalas na talaga yung mga thunderstorms, especially paghapon and gabi po.
Meanwhile, PAGASA said the low-pressure area being monitored east of the country had no effect on the rainfall experienced this afternoon. Carlo Luis Candelaria for The Nation.